Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Adams Academy, an expert online tutoring service for high school mathematics. In this video, we are going to solve problems from the 2014 question paper from the lesson Areas Related to Circles. Let's look at the first question. In figure 3, OABC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 7 centimeter. So this OC is going to be 7 centimeter. If OD is 4 centimeter, let's mark OD, that's 4 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So if you look at this quadrant, the quadrant has an area of 1 by 4 pi r square, right? Because it's 1/4 of a circle. And if you subtract the area of this triangle from the area of the quadrant, you'll get the area of the shaded region. So let's find the area of the quadrant. Area of the quadrant is equal to 1 by 4 pi r square. That's 1 by 4 into pi is 22 by 7 in this question, into r square is 7 squared, right? So if you do that, you'll get 22 into 7 by 4 or 11 into 7 by 2. That's 77 by 2 square centimeters. Now let's find the area of this triangle, area of triangle DOC. That's equal to half into base into height, right? So that's half into, let's take OC as a base 7 and OD is the height 4. So this is going to be 28 by 2 square centimeters. And the area of the shaded region is going to be this minus this, right? So required area is going to be 77 by 2 minus 28 by 2, which is 49 by 2. That's 24.5 centimeters squared. Next question. In figure 4, from a rectangular region ABCD with AB is 20. So let's mark AB. A right triangle AED. Hope you can see the right triangle AED over here with AE equals 9 centimeters. So AE, let's mark AE, that's 9. And DE is 12. DE is 12, right? So you have this AED is 90 degrees, right? It's marked in the figure. So that's cut off. On the other end, taking BC as diameter, a semicircle is added on outside the region. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so originally we have a rectangle ABCD, right? You're cutting off a right triangle from one of the ends and you're adding a semicircle. So what's the required area? The area of the shaded region is going to be area of rectangle ABCD plus area of the semicircle minus area of triangle AED, right? So to find the area of the rectangle, you need to find AD first, because AD is not given in the question. How will you find AD? From right triangle AED, AD is the hypotenuse. So AD is going to be root of 9 squared plus 12 squared. So if you do this calculation, you will get 15, right? So AD is 15. Area of the rectangle is going to be length times breadth. So that's 20 times 15. Area of the semicircle. You know that the diameter of the semicircle is BC. That's given in the question. Taking BC as diameter, you're drawing a semicircle. So the radius is going to be BC by 2, right? That's 15 by 2. So area of the semicircle is half pi r squared. So pi is 3.14 here. And r is 15 by 2 minus area of the triangle is going to be half BH. So that's half into 12 into 9. Now all you have to do is perform these calculations. So if you do the multiplication and the addition and the subtraction and all that, Finally, you will get 334.31, correct to 2 decimal places, right? So that's your required area. Next question. In figure 5, ABDC is a quadrant of a circle of radius 28 centimeters. So this is 28. Semicircle BEC is drawn, right? So BEC is a semicircle with BC as diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, so here how will you find the area of the shaded region? You can find the area of semicircle BEC and subtract area of the segment. Which segment? This shaded segment, right? So that's a segment. So if you find the area of this semicircle BEC and subtract the area of this segment, you will get the required area. Now ABDC is a quadrant, right? So this is also 28 because both are radii. Then you can find BC. BC is going to be root of AC square plus AB square. So if you do the math, you'll get 28 root 2, right? So 28 root 2 is the diameter of the semicircle. So radius of the semicircle will be 14 root 2, half of the diameter. Now let's keep that aside and find the area of the segment. The area of the segment, this shaded segment here, is going to be area of the quadrant minus area of triangle ABC, right? What's the area of the quadrant? It's a quadrant, so it's 1/4 pi r square. R is 28 minus area of the triangle is half BH, so half 28 into 28, right? Now if you do this calculation, you will get 224. So this 224 is going to be the area of the segment, the shaded segment. Now you can use that in this equation, right? So our shaded area or required area is going to be area of the semicircle BEC, that's half into pi r squared. So that's 22 by 7 into, what is r? R is 14 root 2. So r squared is 14 root 2 into 14 root 2 minus area of the segment, which we have found here as 224. So if you do this calculation, you'll get 392 square centimeters. So those are the questions from 2014. I'll see you in another video in which we discuss question papers from another year. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and like our Facebook page. Thanks for watching.